This video is just a short video pointing out that there's a sine rule and cosine rule situation where you actually get two answers. If I'll just give you an example where you only give one answer, or you only get one answer. If that's 15 and that's 20, so it can't be any longer than 15 and this can't be any shorter than 20 and vice versa. And that really is 35, then that kind of tells you how spread out these are, which really does pin down exactly how far across that is. The ambiguous case comes from the fact that not in this scenario, but rather in this scenario, if I tell you that that's, say, 40, and I tell you that that's 80, and I tell you that this is, say, 60, it's actually two ways of drawing it. That's one way of drawing it, but that's another way. Both the dotted triangle and the solid triangle are both equally valid triangles for fitting the information. This has to be 80, this has to be 40, and this third side has to be 60. So what this leads to is two possible angles for that, and also two possible angles for this one up the top here. Now, if you do the sine rule or cosine rule on that, you'll be fine, because you will just get a so you will get a sine equation which has two answers. It'll have a regular acute angle, so like 10, but it will have a larger angle that comes from the auxiliary angle of, say, 170. So as long as you solve that trig equation properly, you'll get the two answers reflecting the possibility that there's a big angle there and also a little angle there. There's a little angle there and a slightly bigger angle there. So that's what the ambiguous case is. It's basically saying that for some sine rule questions where you're trying to find the angle, there are two angles to find, but if you completely forget about the geometry of the ambiguous case, about the physical layout of it, you'll be fine, just as long as you remember that as of Add Maths in Year 12, whenever you pump that through a calculator, you must be alive to the possibility that there are two or more answers that are built by tucking your basic answer against the x-axis to produce this famous X-wing fighter thing.